crash, this always represents the best opportunities to invest into the market. And the reason why is because you're buying at very, very affordable prices. So should you invest? Absolutely. I think that, that's just my opinion, but I think everybody should be investing into the S&P 500 right now. I think that this is looking back 2 to 10 years, we're going to be wishing we would have, invested during these times. Not to mention, on average, with all the recessions, if you invest during each crash, right, you have an average annual return rate. Remember how I mentioned 10%? Now you have an average annual return rate of 21%. So do you think your account's going to grow? Absolutely, it's going to grow very, very fast. So yes, you should invest. Okay, what are some good stocks? So anytime we see high inflation, high interest rates, there's always certain sectors that do well or maybe don't get hit as hard. And another tip is dividend stocks historically don't fall as much as other companies. The reason why is because people are less likely to sell their stock that's paying them those dividends. So a little tip for you guys. So stock number 1 that I would recommend, J&J, Johnson & Johnson. Beautiful company, great growth. You'll notice, right, looking at this thing, right, this, in 2021 and 2022, we have an upward trend compared to the S&P 500, which was selling off. So this thing's actually done relatively good work. Not to mention the dividend of $1.13 a quarter, and they brought in $23.7 billion, which is so much money, guys. So Johnson & Johnson, I think we all know what they do, medical and pharmaceutical company, bringing a lot of money. This company's not going anywhere anytime soon. Stock 2 that I would recommend, Waste Management. Do you think people are going to continue to get rid of their trash and sewage? Absolutely. That's a necessity. It does well in bull markets, bear markets, all types of market conditions. Upward trend, right? Not to mention dividends here, dividend of 65 cents. Company brings in a ton of money. The only issue Waste Management has is they do have some debt, which isn't that big of a deal. Stock 3, Coca-Cola. We all know what they do. Look at this, great growth. We get a dividend. This is a dividend king, an absolute powerhouse. So these are companies that I would be looking to invest in. I'd be dabbling with the S&P 500, investing weekly into it, investing into these companies that are a little more stable. You don't have to worry about. And then should you day trade, swing trade? Day trading and swing trading is not for the average investor. It's not even investing. It's short-term speculation trading. That's the best way to put it. 85% of people that try day trading are unsuccessful. Swing trading, yes, is a little easier to do, but it does require dedication, hard work, and practice. You're still looking at a year plus just to get a general baseline of swing trading, and then you should put in your capital. During that first year, you should be reading books, paper trading every day. You should be doing as much as physically possible to get a good idea of the market, right? So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. That is my strategy. That's what's going on. And are we going to have a crash? Is 2023 going to have a crash? I hope it does, because that just represents a massive opportunity for me to buy these stocks, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys got anything in value, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.